In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Google Analytics without the need for a website. Whether you're a marketer, student, or simply someone interested in data, mastering Google Analytics can open up a world of insights. And the good news is you can start learning without having to set up or own a website of your own. Let's dive into how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Google Analytics homepage. Open your web browser and go to Google's official analytics platform, which can be found by searching for Google Analytics tools and solutions in your search engine, or by typing in the direct URL if you have it handy. This site is a treasure trove of information and resources for analyzing web traffic, and getting familiar with it is the first step. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in to Google Analytics. Look for the sign in button on the top right corner of the home page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using your Google credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Analytics dashboard, which is the central hub for all your data analysis needs. Next, navigate to the Google Analytics home, your gateway to all the reports and tools available on the platform. You might be greeted with a slew of numbers and graphs, but don't worry. This is where you'll start to familiarize yourself with the Analytics interface. Spend a little time here poking around to get a sense of the various tabs and insights available. Now, if you're wondering how you can utilize these tools without a website of your own to analyze, here's the solution. Click on the small help button, often represented by a question mark icon. This is located in the top navigation bar. It's a great resource for beginners and experienced users alike, offering articles and support topics tailored to your needs. Within the help section, use the search bar to type in Access Demo Account. This will direct you to resources explaining how to use Google's demo accounts. The demo account is a fantastic feature provided by Google that allows you to interact with actual data from a real business, specifically the Google Merchandise Store. You can use this data to practice running reports and performing analyses exactly as you would with your own website's data. Lastly, make sure to take full advantage of the demo account. Once you've accessed it, you're free to explore and attempt various functionalities within Google Analytics. This practical, hands-on experience is invaluable as it allows you to learn by doing, giving you the confidence to eventually analyze your own data or handle analytics in a professional setting. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you will be able to start learning Google Analytics efficiently and effectively, even without a website of your own. Happy analyzing!